Hey everybody, we got another one for you. This one's a 1995 Road King. 1340 cc's, basically 80 cubic inch with a 5-speed tranny. The guy's name is Clark that owns it, and Clark came to me with a couple of concerns. One was base gaskets were leaking severely, bike wasn't running good, some of the lighting, etc, etc, etc. But the main concern is we got the motor apart, figured out what it needed. So I ended up boring it 10 thou over through a set of 9-to-1 Wiseco's in it. And he was complaining about the cam itself was a little lagging when he wanted to grab a handful of it. So it did have an Andrews cam in it. So I ended up changing that out and I put an EV3 in it with a brand new set of lifters, inner cam bearing, outer cam bushing, kept his same adjustable push rods, border out 10 thou, and when I got into the cylinder heads, we put 4 brand new high flow valves in it, did a really good valve job, resealed her back up, and basically another one of his concerns was there anything that we could do with the cosmetics of the motor. So I didn't tell him what I was doing, but I ended up painting the cylinders, the heads, the inner primary, the tranny, everything. I taped everything all off, masked it, and we sprayed it up for him so it looks like a brand new bike again. And we're hoping that we're gonna have some fun with this one. Like I said, it's just a bone stock 80 cubic inch with a cam in it, CV carb that I ended up rebuilding to the enricher valve. The starter valve was leaking raw fuel in it, so it was making it run rich. Probably one of the reasons why maybe you could have took the rings out of it, because like I said, we had to go 10 over with it for some scoring and stuff. But anyway, this one here is for Clark. It's his first startup. And we'll pull a choke out here. Give it a squat.